In this tutorial, we're going to guide you through setting up and managing data warehouse connections within your Paradigm workspace. To begin, let's navigate to the Account settings. Here, under the Connection tab, you'll see the Code IDE connection and the Scheduler connection. The Code IDE connections are all the data warehouse connections that you want to enable for your Paradigm users as part of their dbt development. On the other hand, the Scheduler connections are the ones that we can enable for our Bolt scheduler to execute jobs, such as dbt jobs. To add a new connection for the Paradigm Bolt scheduler, click on the Add New button. Select the data warehouse provider. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting Snowflake. Now, add your dbt profile name. This should match to the profile name defined in your dbtproject.yaml file. We're going to set one target as prod. This will be our data warehouse connection that will be used to run production schedules in Paradigm. Next, provide your Snowflake account URL. You can choose between username and password or key pair for this type of connection. We'll opt for username and password. Now, fill in the rest of the form with the production username, password, role, database, and warehouse. You can also set the schemas and decide how many threads you want to run. After filling in the details, click on Test Connection to complete the setup of the connection for our Bolt scheduler. Once this is done, you'll notice that we have default targets. This means that Bolt, when running production jobs, will use this target as default to run against your data warehouse. Additionally, we need to set up another connection specifically for our TurboCI feature. To do this, add a new connection. Click on Snowflake, provide the profile name, change the target to CI, then provide an account, username, password, and then your role, database, and warehouse. In this case, change the schema name to dbtCI and choose the thread settings you want to run on. Finally, click on Test Connection. We have now set up a connection using the prod target, which will be used to orchestrate jobs in production. We have also set up another connection, which will be used to run dbt with TurboCI to build and test our dbt models when opening pull requests.